So this video is about knowing what is known as complex conjugate, and we will also solve a problem related to complex arithmetics. So first, if you have a number or a complex number given by u is equal to x plus jy, the conjugate or the complex conjugate of that number is given by a dash on top of that, and it's given by replacing the plus j here by a minus j or plus I, whichever notation you are using, by a minus, so it becomes x minus jy. So this is known as a complex conjugate. And in the last video or lecture which I made, so when you are doing a product division of a complex number, suppose there was a u1 is a complex number given by x1 plus jy1, and u2 is a complex number given by x1 plus jy2. So u is equal to u1 by u2 was the division of the complex number, so it will give an answer in the form of x plus jy. So to again simplify this, it was possible to do it like u is equal to x1 plus jy1 divided by x1 minus jy, x1 plus x2 plus jy2 into the complex conjugate, which was of the denominator, like x2 minus jy2 and x2 minus jy2. So whatever we did there was the complex conjugate of u2. So this was the u2 complex conjugate. So again, taking a problem, so suppose you are having a complex number given by u1 is equal to 2 plus j3. Now the conjugate of this u1 conjugate will be 2 minus j3. So the problem is to find out u is equal to u1 conjugate. So whenever you are doing that, it's simply 2 plus j3 into 2 minus j3. So this will be equal to 2 square minus j6 plus j6 minus j square 9. So it will give an answer like 4 plus 9, which is equal to 13, and this is not a complex number, so it will have only a real part. So when you are multiplying a complex number by its conjugate, you will get a number which is in the real number. So again, saying complex numbers are numbers in the form of minus 1, x square is equal to minus 1, which when you are doing x is equal to square root of minus 1. So it's not possible to mathematically calculate this. So if you are saying, suppose I am finding a length of 4 meters, so it's easily possible to my x is equal to x, so my x square, if I'm saying, is equal to 4, and it's possible to find the square root of whatever value you have. Suppose x is equal to 4 and square root of x is equal to 2, which is easily found. So whatever answer you will be getting is, it will be having a real part. But if you talk of such kind of problems, there will be both real and imaginary part. So in real life situations, these numbers might not be very much useful in normal problems like solving length, meter, calculating distance, velocity, etc. But it might be useful in solving the electrical problems which have two components, or which are which have coordinates, like which needs to be resolved, like vector quantities which needs to be resolved in two coordinates, the x and the y. So such kind of quantities can be easily solved by representing them as having a real part along one coordinate and imaginary part along other coordinate, and it is easily possible to solve them by resolving them using the complex numbers. So again, we will, the next video I will show how to represent the complex number in xy coordinates.